Yakutia is striking. Travelers and tourists are amazed at its territorial area, occupying almost the whole of Northeast Asia. Yakutsk, built on permafrost, is one of the oldest cities of Siberia. The enchanting north will win the heart of any visitor with its unique beauty and natural contrasts. Yakutia is proud of its numerous waterways and most especially among them the beautiful Lena River. Nature generously endowed this northern land with overwhelming wealth. If it is a metal, then it is gold. If it is a stone, then it is diamond. Yakutia is a great place to visit at any time of year. It is an ideal place for those who enjoy the romance of traveling, the excitement of new discoveries, and extreme tourism. The exotic northern winter beats all contenders. Discover the secrets of permafrost and ancient mammals. Yakutsk will reveal a world of beauty and harmony. The ethnographic facilities will amaze you with their wealth of information on the cultural identity of the northern peoples. Try subglacial fishing with a view of the Lena Pillars in the nature reserve, or perhaps enjoy some stroganina and a trip on a dog-driven sled, followed by the adrenaline of a snowmobile safari, all in and around Yakutsk. Make new discoveries by going on our extreme expedition, entitled Is There Life in the Pole of Cold? Oymyakon is the only place in the world where people have lived and worked since ancient times and to this day at some of the lowest recorded temperatures on Earth. In this struggle with the harshness of nature, you are sure to experience the joy of victory. And what a magical experience to welcome in the new year under the polar star and in the pole of cold. Spring indicates a new cycle of life. Many northern festivals are held at this time of the year. In Oymyakon, you will meet three lords of cold at once: Santa Claus from Lapland, Grandfather Frost from Veliki Ustyug, and Chish Khan from Yakutia. In Verkhoyansk, you will find fearless Yakut horses who think nothing of the winter freeze. The northern lights will flash above you. Local delicacies from reindeer and bighorn meat and stroganina from the purest lakes and rivers will stick in your memory for many years ahead. With the coming of the long-awaited summer, the north suddenly comes back to life with the sounds of nature. The short but hot summer is an unforgettable experience in these northern lands. The Usiach festival is connected with the cult of the sun god and fertility. Narrators of Olancho epics compete for mastery of their art, composing tales of the clashes of bogatirs. The high priests of the circular Oswochai dance sing till the very dawn. The festival is considered a success if one is there still to greet the sunrise, which gives heavenly powers. The seven wonders of the beautiful Lena boggle the imagination. There is the northern ancestral home of the local people at Diring Yurech. There are the rock drawings of ancient peoples, or fishing and rafting down the river Buotama. And there are the famous Lena Pillars with their mysterious castles and towers. It is a trip into the planet's past. Taimen, grayling, or Arctic salmon await you in the rivers of Yakutia. Fishing is true enjoyment and unforgettable relaxation. Yakutia is a land of ancient hunting traditions. Be sure to blandish the master of the tiger, and you are guaranteed trophies. The Lena River is rich in legends and myths. A cruise to the source of the river will open new horizons onto the most beautiful places of Yakutia. Transpolar travel to the Arctic Ocean is quite simply the best gift of the summer season. Historically, Yakutia is the motherland for people of over 120 nationalities. Every inhabitant of Yakutia prides himself on the fact that he has a lake full of fish. But the Lake Labinkir is special. It is famous for its legends about northern dinosaurs. Discover for yourselves the hidden spots of Yakutia. As Yakut shamans say, a man who has lost his harmony with nature should visit the sacred Kisilyakh Mountains, a place of mysterious healing and rejuvenation for mankind. Participating in a scientific expedition in search of ancient animals, you will feel all the excitement of working as a real archaeologist or paleontologist. The biological research station Lena Nordenskjöld gives a great opportunity for flora and fauna lovers to see the breeding sites of rare birds and the animal world of the Arctic tundra. The living natural world of Yakutia sparks great interest among tourists, travelers, and the professional scientific community alike. For the first time in international practice, a project for the recovery of an ecological corner of the North gained the support of the Canadian Committee for Wood Buffalo Protection. And now the first ever bisonarium in Yakutia is located in the estuary of the Bwotoma River. The Diamond and Gold Tour is an amazing journey through the world of geology. You will witness rough stones turning into brilliant diamonds and visit gold mines. Your trip will finish on a fine note in Yakutia's treasury. Once every 4 years, the capital of Yakutia becomes a sports arena for the children of Asia International Games. From friendship in sports to world peace is the motto of this sports festival, which unites children from more than 20 countries. The flame of this Olympiad will be lit for the 5th time in Yakutsk in the summer of 2012. Yakutia is an active participant and organizer of scientific conferences, economic forums, exhibitions, investment fairs, business meetings and talks of both the Russian and an international scale. If you dream to discover the hidden spots of planet Earth, then your compass will surely indicate north. At any time of year, there is always something to see and gold to be struck with a trip to Yakutia.